magical energy. Here on Achillean, we call it the breath. Flux is so strong that it had to be banned, except in Galactic football. The most spectacular sport in the universe. The incredible double win of the Snow Kids has made Galactic football even more popular. New teams from new planets have joined the league. A new tournament has even been created. Will the Snow Kids stay together as a team after so many changes? Even greater challenges await them. Galactic football. Last time on Galactic football.
Bennett, we have no choice but to go to Infiltration Code Red on Paradisia.
I just want to inform you that Sonny Blackbones and his pirates are here on Paradisia.
The Central Unit's artificial intelligence eye has spotted us.
Wow, May scores! What a pair these two players make!
Go, Yuki, go!
And the matches are over!
4-0 Shadows victory over the Rikers.
And the Electras win as well. 3-2 over the Cyclops.
Welcome to Paradisia, Sonny.
Tell me about the Multiflux, Magnus Blade. Magnus, the Multiflux. You don't know what you're dealing with. Don't do it.
What did you do to him?
I poisoned him.
And what are you going to do with him?
I will simply get rid of him, like anyone who gets in my way.
It's Sonny's distress signal. Bennett, Marty, set your radars to frequency M2212. Go! Go, find him, now! Everyone at their post, this is not a drill.
Where can he be? We'll never find him.
There. The signal says he's down there. There! Sonny!
Wake up, Sonny! Bennett! Get us out of here!
Grab this!
No!
Okay, Corso. We've just found Sonny.
Well, put him on.
Can't do that. He's unconscious.
Hey, he's coming too. Clamp, I have to see Clamp.
Someone injected him with poison. If you hadn't called me, he would already be dead.
It's Phoenix. Sonny went to see him, alone. I never should have let him go.
Lord Phoenix, but that's impossible.
Sonny thought he was suspicious right from the start, and I'm sure I've seen Phoenix somewhere before. But where?
He's in serious condition. He must remain here and can't be moved.
That's fine. He's safe here.
You have to realize that this is a rare and extremely potent poison. I'm not sure I'll be able to counteract it.
Arcadia Sports, live from Paradisia, with Callie and Nork.
Good evening, Holo viewers. We have another exciting program for you tonight.
Yes, Callie, this tournament is simply out of this world. 2 highly anticipated matches tonight. Team Paradisia versus the Wombas, and the Pirates versus the Snow Kids. Everyone is waiting to see if the Snow Kids will still be the Snow Kids, because the team playing tonight has been turned upside down. Will they even be up to the challenge posed by the Pirates? Nothing is certain.
Another big question. Team Paradisia, just hype or brilliant team? What if signing Jock was just a marketing ploy?
Can he make the difference all by himself and bring the team the victory? It wouldn't be the first time.
Jock, we're waiting for you at the press conference.
Yeah, I'm coming. I said I'm Clamp? I hope this isn't about the Snow Kids, because I'm not on the team anymore.
That's not why I'm calling you.
Okay, what is it? But make it fast, I'm busy.
I know this is not the best time, but there's a problem with your father, Jock. He's here on Paradisia.
What? Sonny's on Paradisia? What's wrong?
Listen, don't worry about it. Just come and see me after the match and I'll fill you in. And good luck with your match, Jock.
Thanks, Clamp.
Cyclops dance. Phew. Phew.
So, Jock, do you miss the Snow Kids?
Huh? Who, me? No!
No? I knew you had a weakness for girl footballers, but the entire Team Paradisia all to yourself? Not bad.
I have a weakness for winning teams. That's all.
Then you should have joined the Shadows.
We're going to win, May. Team Paradisia is going to win.
In the meantime, I have to go.
Okay. That's enough for today.
Woo! Woo! We're gonna destroy the pirates.
Yeah, I feel great. I'm gonna eat them up.
It could be just the opposite.
Mac, old boy, you disappoint me. We have to win. It's part of our job.
Tia? Yoo-hoo! Tia! Hey, May! Hey there! What's up, guys? What? You still resent me? Is that it? Come on, say something.
Yeah!
I made a lot of progress. And everyone is going to be surprised by how extreme my playing is.
Any more questions?
Jock, one question.
We're far from being ready for tonight's match, even against the Pirates.
Since when are you the pessimist, Arch? I thought that was my job.
Open your eyes, Artegor. Our team is a complete mess.
You're a mess, Arch. These kids are champions. Remind me how many GF Cups we've won, huh?
That's not the problem.
I admit that things have been topsy-turvy in Achillean as of late, but we have to trust them. They're just missing one little spark to make them go all out.
Your turn, please.
And let's welcome the Snow Kids!
A question for Lanzia. How are you adjusting to playing on the team?
There have been some ups and downs, but nothing serious. Everyone's been great to me, and I feel like I'm part of the Snow Kids family now.
Another question?
After your disastrous 4-0 loss to the Shadows, the desertion of 3 players, not to mention the terrible health problems of your captain, don't you think that the Snow Kids are all washed up?
I thought only journalists were allowed in the press room.
Gently, gently. You bunch of barbarians. One day I'll have my own show. Well.
everything okay, Captain?
Huh? And why wouldn't it be?
You're funny, Jock. And I like you. A lot.
I don't know why I'm here. Why I'm doing all this.
We're here to win. And the two of us make a good team.
Don't we?
Is that a scoop or what? You've outdone yourself, Sharky. And it seems that Jock isn't on the market anymore, if you know what I mean. There is obviously a good feeling on Team Paradisia.
Excellent, Totaro. That's exactly what the public wants. Romance, passion, dreams. That's what Paradisia is all about. Anger and frustration motivate him and make him even better. For the match, tell the girls to pay particular attention to, shall we say, leave him hungry for more.
They will be happy to play at that game.
Romance? Passion? You wouldn't happen to be a dreamer, Lord Phoenix, would you?
Can't you knock like everyone else?
I can go wherever I please on this planet too. We have that much in common. I've come to tell you that, as planned, small quantities of the multiflux have been injected into the planet's core.
When will this procedure be finished?
It will take some time. My employer says we must be very prudent and not rush anything. It would be a shame to ruin such a grandiose show, to shatter such a beautiful dream.
Hello, dear Holo viewers. The show is about to begin.
Two incredible matches for tonight. At Dome Stadium, the Snow Kids versus the Pirates. At Deep Stadium, Team Paradisia versus the Wombas.
You could just imagine what the pressure is like in the locker rooms.
Okay, as you saw a little while ago, no one expects you to win. But who cares what they think? It's a great opportunity.
Yes, an opportunity. Despite adversity, you're going to rise up and fight, and no matter how it all turns out, because you are the Snow Kids. Go, Snow, go!
Go, Snow, go!
Okay, here we are. Now let's do it together.
We tighten our defense.
We look for the good pass.
We fight for every loose ball.
We put an end to all criticism.
We destroy them.
And we send the pirates back to Shiloh.
Go, Snow, go!
Woohoo! What motivation! It looks like the Snow Kids haven't come to fool around.
Go, Snow. Go.
The entire galaxy has its eyes glued on this match to see what the new Snow Kids are worth.
Let's hope that they can surprise us. Judging from their press conference, we have our doubts. This might be the end of a beautiful Cinderella story.
And now, let's go see what's going on at Deep Stadium, where the match will start in a few moments.
Jock calls for the ball, but Nikki 4 prefers passing back to Kim 2.
An extraordinary goal from Kim 2. What a powerful shot!
Amazing! What an introduction! Let's take a quick look at what's happening over in Dome Stadium.
Well, over here, we've a rather equal match between two solid groups of midfielders who keep each other in check. But watch out for an opening.
Oh no! An incredible lack of communication between Tia and Lunzia.
Well, that didn't take long. A real beginner's mistake. And it only takes one for the Pirates to open the score.
Apparently, the pirates are taking no prisoners.
Come on, Micro Ice. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Artie.
I'll go now. It's better for Sonny. Beeline to Dome Stadium. Artie, old boy, you're gonna see some real action.
If I miss this, it'll be much worse than losing my shorts. Yee-ha!
And that's it! The Snow Kids are back in the game!
A magnificent Snow Kids goal just before halftime.
It just goes to show you, maybe we wrote them off a little too quickly.
Haha, yeah, maybe. Well, we'll be right back after these messages.
I need a cold drink. A really, really cold drink.
When the days are this hot, you need Mice Delight.
We're back in Deep Stadium. Oh, Jock seems to be taking matters into his own hands, and he's using the bread.
Hey, tell me, how do I get to the stands? This Dome Stadium is a real maze.
This is Deep Stadium.
Aw, man.
Go, Snow, go!
Rocket!
I can't keep playing.
It doesn't look like Rocket's condition is serious, but oh boy, what a tough blow for the Snow Kids, who will finish the match short one player.
Meaning this is mission impossible.
Let's go! Hang in there! Don't give up!
And now it's obvious there is only one team on the field, Team Paradisia. Offensive by the Pirates! Oh, great stop from Ahito! It's a penalty!
Here, this one's for you.
Here we go.
Wow! A terrific penalty kick from Tia to finish off the Pirates. And that's the end of the match. Go, Snow, go! Excuse me. Just slipped out.
What? Don't tell me it's already over. We're still the Snow Kids!
You see, they gave their all. That's what champions do.
Please.
Ah, what a victory. With a captain like you, we're sure to win this tournament.
Yeah, but my teammates don't have much team spirit. These girls are really weird. There's something kooky about them.
A little adversity, a little competition, that's what makes a player. Isn't that true, my boy?
All the same, I've got a few things to say to them.
Hold on, Jock.
But what did... They're...
Cyborgs. Yes, Jock, I wanted to tell you. And most of all, they're excellent football players, the best in the galaxy. When you demonstrate team spirit, they will base their game plan on yours.
I'm playing with cyborgs?
Trust me, my boy. Everything I do is done expressly for victory.
The same goes for me. And that's what they should do, too.
Thanks for coming, Jock. Here.
Hang in there, Dad. You always pull through.
Jock, you need to know that the Pirates think Phoenix is responsible for what happened to Sonny.
What? Lord Phoenix?
Next time on Galactic Football.
Today we have two exciting matches in store for you. The Xenons versus the Technodroid B4s in the Dome Stadium, and the Lightnings versus the Red Tigers in the Deep Stadium.
Yes, we have a team!
You can't do that.
As I recall, I'm still the coach of the Snow Kids.
What are you afraid of?
I'm not afraid, Artagor.
Take a joke, Jock. I was just kidding.
Nothing's funny right now, Micro Ice. I'm under a lot of pressure, but you'd never understand that.